Hey, welcome back to Powered by 8 Racing YouTube channel. The day has come. One of 2 days has come. I finally got half of the aero in, and that half is the part for the back of the car. The wing is here, and all right, I'm just going to show you. So, ignore these. Here is the wing. This wing is a 13-inch cord, 78 inches long. Swan mount, and these are the high efficiency end plates. Excuse the mess, of course. We know my garage is messy right now. Here are the swan mounts from Zebulon. I've got the hardware here ready to go on. So, anyways, I'm not going to impress you with a bunch of numbers. It makes about 14,000 pounds of downforce, give or take probably about 50 to 60 pounds. But anyways, that's pretty close to, the 16,000 pounds that it's going to put down. But I'm going to have to put new springs on the car now because I don't have, 18,000 pound springs on the car right now. So when it's making 10,000 pounds of downforce, I need to go ahead and up the springs from the 350 that's on it right now. Anyways, let's get the swan mounts on and we will come back to putting the wing on.
Powered by 8.
All right, we already did the mounts on the previous video, so they're ready to go. I'm gonna mount these on the outside. You can mount these on the inside, you can mount them on the outside. I wanna put them on the outside. I think it just look a little bit better. And it's just simple hardware, 11 millimeter and a 4 millimeter Allen. So hardware is in this little baggie. Pretty simple stuff here, pretty elementary. So why did I go with Zebulon? And I went with Zebulon because, my good buddy Jake has been using Zebulon for many years, apparently. Anyways, buddy Jake's been using them, and those who follow the NASA scene know that Jake did a very good job at Nationals this year, and I believe he did TT2 and ST2, or was it 3? But anyways, whatever the case might be, he swept both classes, and his car was phenomenal. And I decided, you know what? I like to just try different stuff, so I figured I'd try something new. And this is where we are. So, maybe it'll make me faster, maybe it'll make me slower, but it's gonna make me something. I guess I could turn them that way, and we could put the wing right over the middle of the trunk. I heard that's the secret to being fast. So why did I go to the swan neck? Well, if you know anything about the swan neck, what it does is it reattaches the air and it breaks it back up, and then it reattaches it, and then the inline rotary girder of the airflow, I don't know. I don't know. I just do what I'm told, really. I asked, what do I need to do? And this is what I was told I needed to do. So if you want to learn more about aero and all that stuff, go to school. Or I think what's his name, Kyle Engineering or something like that on YouTube. He has that. He does a pretty good job, talking about what the different aero principles are for things. So because of that, I do what I'm told here, and that's what I'm doing. But if you can guess that quote of what I was just kind of saying, the inline rotary girder, whatever, tell me where that's from. And if you guess it right, the first person, you have to comment obviously in the video. If you get it right, maybe I'll send you a t-shirt. Obviously one that I've worn, not washed. No, I've got some shirts coming. But yeah, if the first person wants to comment what that quote's from, I'll send you a shirt. But you got to comment, and then once I say that's right, you got to email me. So pay attention, you know, pay attention to the video and what is what's happening there. Come on. All right, let's back that up. I got to put these on the inside. That was silly. I want these to be on the inside, so it didn't matter that I did that. All right, so doing this again. Let's come on the inside. Let's come on the inside. Pull this up. There. All right. All right, I'm loosening it enough so I can get a bar on here and I can measure my angle. I'm gonna set it for about 5 degrees right now, and then we'll just have to see. I don't know what the wing's gonna do. And so I'm gonna set it for 5 degrees, then we just gotta test it from there. So that's about 5 degrees. So we can come up just a little bit. Find the matching hole. Should be right about there probably. That's 6. So let's see if we come down to that hole. What do we got? About 5 degrees. All right. That's what we're going to start at. The car is on the hub stands, but it's on its proper rake right now. So, you know, make sure that your car's at the rake that you want when you set your angle of attack, or else it's going to be a problem. Whew, this thing is pretty. Oops. All right, let's move that stuff out of the way so it stops falling, and let's move to the end plates. But like I was saying before I put this, before I messed that up, was that I don't really know how to tune these end plates. So we'll shoot Zebulon an email and just make sure that we do it properly and whatnot. But I'm going to be inclined to say that just start with that neutral level probably. And but I don't know. I really don't know. And like I said before, I'm not going to set the angle of this yet. I'm going to wait to see what I need to do for those, and then I will set them both the same and make sure that they are matched. But I'm just going to put them almost level for now, and then we'll go from there once I know what I need to do to tune those up. All right, so that's it. That's all that is installed. It's a pretty nice looking wing. Try to get that. It's kind of hard to tell. I have to have the camera in a wide angle just to get it all in frame, because if I don't, it looks like that. But it is a very, very massive wing. Let's see if we can't get up here like that, and you can see that it is pretty epic. Anyways, quick video. Just wanted to get that installed real quick, and I got to move on to those ankle biters splitter will be here. I've got tracking for it, and that'll wrap up our aero here soon. So till next time, I'll see you in the garage.
Powered by the old shoe.